अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम फेडरल बोर्ड के कंप्यूटर के मॉडल पेपर को रिव्यू करेंगे और इसके स्ट्रक्चर को और इसके सॉल्यूशंस को देखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Section A carries 13 marks. In Section A, there will be like 13 multiple choice questions. I already highlighted the right answer. So that's how you have to attempt in your final paper. Like you have to fill that bubble with marker or with a pen. Do not use the lead pencil. It is mentioned over here too. So let's see what are these multiple choice questions, which is an example of a usability security trade-off. So this one is the right answer. Complex passwords boost security but hinder recall. How can a company improve website usability? Usability testing and design improvements improve the website usability. So B is the right answer. What is the main advantage of a binary search over a linear search? So binary search reduces the search space by half at each step. So C is the right answer. A binary search test, BST, contains the number 50, 30, 70, 20, 40, 60, and 80. What will be the output of an in-order transversal? So the right one is this: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So B is the right answer. Which of the following is a primary benefit of object-oriented programming, OOP? So it encourages reusable, and a modular code. So B is the right answer for this. What is the significance level alpha in hypothesis testing? So the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. So A is the right answer. Okay, what will be the precision of a trained machine learning model having the following confusion matrix? So when you apply the formula, you will figure out 75% is the right answer. Why it is essential for business to implement data protection policies to prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. What actions should be taken to enhance the model's performance? Increase the number of hidden layers in the neural network. A is the right answer. Which security method is commonly used to protect sensitive online transactions? So biometric authentication. Which of the following is a key step in conducting an advanced online search? Using Boolean operations like AND, OR, and NOT. So B is the right answer for this. How do digital tools enhance the communication of search finding? They help present data visually and improve clarity. So A is the right answer. What role does the riskiest assumption play in refining an MVP? To validate the most critical factor that could impact the business model success. So B is the right answer for this one. In section B, you will have total 42 marks. You will have options, like either you can select part A or part B. So we can just go through the questions. What is usability testing and how does it help improve user experience? If you feel that you're not able to attempt this one, so you can try this one. What is the purpose of train test split in machine learning model building? How is the binary search algorithm useful in searching large database efficiently? Give any 3 key points. If you think this is not answerable for you, so you can select this one. What is phishing and how can user protect themselves from phishing attacks? Perform the in-order uh, traversal and write the correct sequence of node visits for the following tree. This is the tree you have to perform the in-order traversal. Or you can attempt this one: a corporate office restricts work to company devices for security, but employees find it limiting. What alternative measure can balance security and flexibility? So in section B, you will have total 14 questions. So you will have option for every question. So you can select according to your knowledge, according to your information, and make sure you put the right number. Either you are attempting part A or part B. And then in section C, there will be like 4 long questions. Every question carries like 6 or 7 marks. So in section C, you also have option in section C. Either you can select part A or part B. Make sure you mention the right question number. We can go through some of the questions briefly. Explain human-computer interaction at CI in terms of usability, common problems, methods for improvement, ethical and social impacts, economic and environmental implication. Provide a relevant example for each aspect. Or you can select this one, explain the concept of minimum viable product MVP and its role in business validation with an example. Second question is, a researcher is studying the effect of a new study technique on student performance. You have to figure out these 3 parts. In the above context, define null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Explain the role of p-values in hypothesis testing. Communicate your findings using data visuals. Or you can attempt this one, why security methods are important for protecting data. Explain the role of the following methods in securing information and preventing identity theft. You have to figure out these 3 parts, like two-factor authentication, biometric verification, cryptography. So in section C, you will have like 4 questions. Make sure that you answer which one is like most suitable for you, and make sure you include every part and mention every part. Make sure your structure is according to the question, so it will be easy for the examiner to validate the answer, and he will give you the maximum marks. I have already included the solution here. If you want to know the little bit explanation of every MCQ, it is added here. You can go through. Or if you have any question regarding any other paper, you can contact me at this number. This is section B, a little bit answer included for every part. I have answered both parts, like part A or part B. So you can try to memorize everything. So the probability of these questions in your final term is very high. Make sure you go through each and every question deeply in detail, so you can easily pass the examination. So that's all the Federal Board computer model paper for HSSC. If you have any question regarding this, you can leave a comment below, or you can contact me at this number. So that's all for today.